happens when Ferrari, the legendary Italian supercar manufacturer, decides to create a luxury motorhome. Imagine Ferrari's racing DNA combined with opulent mobile living, all wrapped in their iconic Rosso Corsa red, with organic flowing windows that pulse with Italian passion and artistry. This is automotive royalty reimagined. Welcome back to Dream Drive Homes, where we bring you the most spectacular luxury motorhomes and mobile mansions from around the world. Today, we have something absolutely unprecedented that will blow your mind. The 2026 Ferrari Gran Turismo Vita Motorhome. This represents Ferrari taking everything they've learned from building the world's most desirable supercars and applying that passion, craftsmanship, and performance obsession to creating the ultimate luxury motorhome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because you definitely don't want to miss incredible content like this. Drop a comment below and tell us if you think Ferrari can dominate the luxury motorhome world the same way they've dominated motorsports and exotic cars. And let's dive into every spectacular detail of this Italian masterpiece. The Ferrari Gran Turismo Vita Motorhome commands attention from the very first moment you lay eyes on it. And that's exactly what Ferrari intended when designing this extraordinary vehicle. The entire exterior is finished in Ferrari's legendary Rosso Corsa red. That specific shade of racing red that has become synonymous with Italian motorsports excellence and Ferrari heritage stretching back over 7 decades. This isn't just any red paint. This is a meticulously formulated color that has been refined over generations to create the perfect balance of warmth, vibrancy, and visual impact. The finish features multiple layers of specialized pigmented coats, applied in climate-controlled environments by skilled technicians, followed by numerous clear protective coats that are carefully wet-sanded between applications to remove any imperfections, and finally polished to an absolutely mirror-like brilliance. That makes the motorhome appear to be covered in liquid ruby rather than solid paint. The depth and richness of this Rosso Corsa finish must be experienced in person to be fully appreciated, because photographs and video simply cannot capture the way this color seems to glow from within, catching ambient light and transforming it into brilliant reflections that dance across the curved surfaces. The red appears to shift and change depending on viewing angle and lighting conditions, sometimes appearing almost orange in bright sunlight, other times deepening to a rich burgundy in shade, creating a dynamic visual experience that rewards extended observation and contemplation. Ferrari's paint specialists have spent countless hours perfecting application techniques to ensure absolutely flawless finish quality with perfect color consistency, zero orange peel texture, and that signature depth that separates Ferrari finishes from ordinary automotive paint. What makes the Gran Turismo Vita truly extraordinary and instantly recognizable are the stunning organic circular windows flowing across the body in patterns that seem inspired simultaneously by racing heritage and natural organic forms. These aren't traditional rectangular motorhome windows. They're sculptural design elements that transform the entire vehicle into rolling, three-dimensional art. The circular openings vary dramatically in size and are arranged in flowing, cascading clusters that create mesmerizing visual rhythm reminiscent of air bubbles rising through water, cellular structures magnified to architectural scale, or perhaps the flowing organic shapes found in contemporary Italian design and architecture. Each circular window is precisely framed with polished chrome surrounds that contrast beautifully against that vibrant Rosso Corsa body, and the cumulative effect is absolutely breathtaking. And unlike anything else in the motorhome world, your eye naturally follows these circular patterns around the vehicle, discovering new relationships and groupings from every viewing angle. The arrangement isn't random, but carefully orchestrated by talented designers to create visual harmony and balance while ensuring interior spaces receive abundant natural light from strategic locations. The windows appear to flow and pulse across the body like heartbeats, or perhaps like the RPM needle dancing across a Ferrari tachometer during spirited driving, creating movement and energy that makes the motorhome feel alive even when completely stationary in a showroom. Gold or bronze accent striping flows horizontally along certain body sections, adding additional layers of visual sophistication and luxury appeal while complementing those circular windows without competing for attention. The front cab section is unmistakably Ferrari with design elements borrowed directly from their legendary automotive heritage. While we can't see the grille clearly, you can be certain it incorporates Ferrari's iconic design language with aggressive styling. The prancing horse emblem prominently displayed, and that distinctive Ferrari aesthetic that enthusiasts recognize instantly. Sophisticated LED headlight assemblies feature complex internal structures with multiple light sources, creating distinctive lighting signatures that identify this as something special even from impressive distances. The headlights likely incorporate Ferrari's characteristic jewel-like quality with precision optics and beautiful detailing visible even when not illuminated. The overall design balances Ferrari's racing-inspired aesthetics with practical motorhome functionality, featuring carefully sculpted aerodynamic surfaces that guide airflow efficiently while looking absolutely stunning. Chrome and polished metal accents appear throughout, adding layers of luxury and visual interest. The wheels are undoubtedly works of functional art, featuring designs inspired by Ferrari's legendary wheel designs, perhaps incorporating elements reminiscent of classic Ferrari 5-spoke or modern multi-spoke patterns, all finished in polished aluminum or perhaps even lightweight alloys. The integration between cab and living quarters is seamless with that. Rosso Corsa finish flowing continuously, creating perfect visual unity from front to rear. The proportions are substantial yet elegantly proportioned, clearly indicating generous interior volume for luxury living spaces, while maintaining visual grace rather than appearing overly bulky or ungainly. The motorhome rides on what appears to be dual rear axles, providing the load capacity and stability necessary for a fully equipped luxury home on wheels. Advanced suspension systems, almost certainly incorporating air springs, deliver the refined ride quality that Ferrari customers expect, isolating interior spaces from road irregularities, while maintaining precise handling characteristics during travel. Stepping inside the Ferrari Gran Turismo Vita reveals interior spaces that continue Ferrari's legendary commitment to luxury, craftsmanship, and performance-oriented design translated into residential living environments. Natural light floods abundantly through those distinctive circular windows, creating dynamic, ever-changing patterns throughout the day as sunlight moves across the sky. The windows likely feature electrochromic glass technology, allowing instant transition from clear to opaque for privacy, while maintaining those beautiful circular shapes as design elements. The interplay of natural light streaming through these organic openings creates atmosphere that makes interior spaces feel alive and connected to surroundings. The interior design philosophy undoubtedly combines Italian luxury aesthetics with Ferrari's motorsports heritage and obsessive attention to detail and quality. The color palette likely incorporates that signature Rosso Corsa red appearing strategically as bold accent colors, combined with premium leathers in cream, tan, or black, exotic wood veneers or carbon fiber trim pieces echoing Ferrari automotive interiors, polished aluminum or brushed metal accents, and carefully selected premium fabrics creating an environment of sophisticated Italian luxury with unmistakable Ferrari character throughout every surface and detail. The main living area features open concept design with distinct zones flowing together seamlessly in the Italian tradition of creating spaces that encourage social interaction and enjoyment of life's pleasures. The kitchen showcases European appliances of the highest caliber, including professional-grade cooking equipment worthy of preparing authentic Italian cuisine. Full-size refrigeration with wine storage, maintaining optimal temperatures for fine vintages. Premium countertops in natural stone like Carrara, marble, or granite, and custom cabinetry, possibly incorporating exotic woods or even carbon. Fiber panels with soft close mechanisms and meticulous interior organization. A substantial island provides workspace and storage while serving as a gathering point for aperitivo hour or casual dining. The dining area features a custom table seating 6 to 8 with upholstered seating in premium leather, possibly featuring the same diamond quilting patterns found in Ferrari automotive seats. The table design likely incorporates materials and aesthetic elements echoing Ferrari heritage, perhaps including carbon fiber inlays, polished aluminum trim, or other exotic materials Ferrari uses in their supercars. Strategic positioning near circular windows ensures dining experiences accompanied by natural light and views. The lounge area features seating, upholstered in the finest Italian leather with heating, cooling, and massage functions providing comfort after long travel days. Entertainment systems include premium displays and audio systems, delivering the kind of sensory experience Ferrari customers expect with connectivity for all modern devices and services. Sleeping quarters include a master suite positioned to maximize those stunning circular window views while providing an intimate retreat. A king-size bed features premium mattress technology with multiple support zones dressed in the finest Italian linens with thread counts rivaling luxury hotels. The organic exterior creates unique curved interior spaces, adding character and sophistication. Custom closet systems provide organized storage with LED lighting and attention to detail throughout. The master bathroom is a spa retreat with spacious shower featuring multiple heads and body jets, premium fixtures in polished chrome or possibly gold finishes, heated floors providing comfort, and materials like natural stone or premium tiles creating an atmosphere of Italian luxury and indulgence. Technology integration is comprehensive with climate systems maintaining perfect conditions in multiple zones, advanced air filtration ensuring pristine air quality, and vehicle management systems monitoring all chassis and house systems. Connectivity includes satellite internet and cellular boosters, ensuring you stay connected anywhere your adventures take you. Power systems combine solar panels, advanced lithium batteries, and generator backup, all managed by intelligent software. Water systems feature substantial capacity with advanced filtration and efficient waste management, supporting extended off-grid travel. What makes the Ferrari Gran Turismo Vita truly special is how it represents Ferrari bringing their legendary passion, craftsmanship, and performance obsession to luxury motorhome design. This isn't just a motorhome with Ferrari badges. This embodies everything Ferrari represents. From that iconic Rosso Corsa finish to the meticulous attention to detail and that indefinable Italian character that makes Ferrari products desirable worldwide. This motorhome appeals to Ferrari enthusiasts and collectors who want to experience that prancing horse lifestyle even when traveling and camping, who refuse to compromise on quality or performance, and who appreciate the finest Italian design and engineering applied to mobile living. If the Ferrari Gran Turismo Vita has captured your imagination, make sure you're subscribed to Dream Drive Homes, hit that like button, share with fellow Ferrari fans and RV enthusiasts, and tell us in comments if you'd choose this Italian masterpiece for your dream adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.